Who are you?
Need to hold up there, okay?
Can you tell me who you are?
Over here, guys.
Can you tell me who you are?
Doesn't matter who I am.
Well, it does, actually. You have no authority over me, so don't try to just tell me what to do like that. Okay?
Hey,
Don't touch me. You're going to get the mace, buddy. You're going to get the mace. All right? You're going to get the straight up. You want the hot sauce? You can get it.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Amazing Audits. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on December 31st, 2020 in Las Vegas, Nevada. The auditor in today's video was walking down the sidewalk on the Vegas Strip when he was approached by a man who started barking orders and actually placed his hands on the auditor. Turns out this man was private security for a local news reporter who was doing a live shot from the Vegas Strip. Unbeknownst to this security guard, he placed his hands on the wrong person. This auditor knows his rights and always stands up for his rights. Now, let's dive right into this video and see how this plays out.
I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
11:30. Well, we are on 7 now. We'll get back to you.
Hi.
You guys can leave now.
Who are you?
Doesn't matter who.
It matters.
Yeah, it does.
It matters.
Who the fuck are you? Do I need to call Metro over here?
Go ahead, call him. You're parked illegally, so call him. You're being watched by 1,500 people right now online.
I don't know who people are. Coming trying to get in our face telling us what to do.
This is our security.
He almost got maced. He's a dumb fuck. And who are you?
We got unit 753 dash
Actually, that was assault. I'd like to file assault charges on your security guard here. He's supposed to observe and report, and he touched me. In Nevada, that's a simple battery.
Simple battery is covered by Nevada Criminal Code 200.481. It prohibits battery, which is defined as any willful and unlawful use of force or violence upon the person of another. A simple battery that does not cause injury is treated as a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail and fines of up to $1,000. This security guard committed this offense, but when the police show up and he flashes his badge, do you think he will be held accountable or not? Let me know in the comments below.
So call him. Go ahead. It's all on film right here. Is that what you want to do? All right. Well, you can spend New Year's Eve in jail. I'm not playing. I'm serious. 1,000. He's laughing because he knows when he flashes that badge to the officer, everything on him is going to go away. Your reporter doesn't have any more right to this area than we do. Oh, 13, looks like Channel 13 News we got, guys. Yep. Yep, definitely going to be making some police reports about this. I don't know who you think you are. I know who he thinks he is now. He thinks he's the guy from a certain movie where his daughter gets taken.
Medium build, wearing green shoes, black
Oh, look, they're leaving now. Yeah. They know I just said he was going to jail. He's fleeing the scene of a crime. Yeah, too bad your guy escalated this situation like this, huh?
Jeans, black shoes, black sweater, backpack on. And he's, like a black pullover.
Hey, too bad your guard here escalated this situation. That didn't have to happen, huh? I think you should stop because he's going to go to jail.
Yeah, they're just recording us. They interrupted our live shot. We have security guards with us.
Who assaulted me?
We did nothing wrong. I'm with the press.
My name is
Don't lie. We're being watched by thousands of people right now.
702-335-5105.
Let's make sure we preserve. Dude. He thinks it's funny. Tried to break it.
Yeah, he does.
You know what I'm saying?
I've seen that.
Yeah. I wasn't even near him. He came up to us.
I'm gonna go put my camera over here.
Did we ever walk up to 9? No. I can prove it right now. That was a Budweiser, dude. Here's the police, though.
Can we have like a conversation about it?
No, we're not allowed to now.
Why not?
Remember when he came up and tried to give you a bunch of orders and then you didn't do what he said? His ego got hurt, so now we're not allowed to. He's got hurt ego.
Yeah.
Assaulting me. He's looking really smug. We'll get it though.
I'm right behind you. Please don't attack me. Don't armbar me. Don't tackle me down.
That was bull.
So now you're not.
Look, he's gonna. As soon as he does, he violates the law. I'm gonna pull that. I'm gonna bring that up in court. I still need to report a crime before this man gets away, please.
They're not going to report.
Yeah, no, I was battered. It's on film right here. This man touched me. He was disorderly at a minimum. I want him prosecuted. Failure to do your job will result in a complaint. Possible lawsuit. That man flashed you a badge and you're getting his back. I've seen what happened. You're abusing your authority. You've abused your authority tonight, sir. You don't even know what's happening. It's right, I know. It doesn't matter if you know what you're talking about, right? How about you don't know what you're talking about? Dumb white ladies never know what they're talking about. Too hot on the sauce. Happy New Year. Officer, I need to report a crime. Would like your names and badge numbers, please? I didn't hear it. And the other guy? Oh, before you go, I'm speaking to you.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Amazing Audits' YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.